Today I'm going to show you how you change the hot water volume for your cappuccino, espresso or coffee. So we first press P, then we go across to expert mode. Expert mode. Then we can either go into espresso, coffee or cappuccino, which is the third one across. I do cappuccinos all the time, so I'm going to adjust that volume to 115. And this is now saved. If that is your favorite setting, then save it on there. As when you have guests, you can also, say for example, we do another coffee, we can change it during the volume when we're making that coffee if somebody else likes it a bit differently. Also change the volume then as well. So this is where you can change the milk volume. Just like that, adds more seconds to it. And this is where if you need to just adjust it from your saved setting, you can just add more or less. And that way, if someone who normally isn't here has a bit more volume for their coffee, then you can just change it just the once. And that's how you change the volume for your cappuccino or coffee. So remember, P, across, and then expert mode. And if you want to do it for espresso, you can change the volume there as well. The max is 80, and you can go as low as you like. Okay, or you go back and do your coffee volume, which is also for your cappuccino. Okay.